Good afternoon, one and all. Uh, this is Dr. Anuradha Ramesh, welcoming you all for the SVT IIC EIP Cell program for the evening today. The second session we are having for the Utkarsh lecture series. We have with us uh, our resource persons for the program today, our esteemed principal, Dr. Jagmeet Madan Ma'am, our vice principal, Ms. Manjari Balera, and resource person, Mr. Sachin Kumboje, our esteemed chief guest for this today's function, one of the speakers, and Ms. Jenisha, who will be joining us in 5-10 minutes, and she will be the second resource person for the program today of the lecture series. I would like to give a very brief introduction about our SVT IIC cell. And we welcome the conveners and the organizers of today's function, Dr. Bamini Mehta and Ms. Parul Vats, as well as other faculty and our student members who have joined for this particular program, and all the students who have joined from the third years, second years, and the first years, and the master students for this particular program of the Utkarsh lecture series. Um, the SVT IIC EIP cell has been conceived with the idea of promoting an entrepreneurial mindset among students. And our college takes pride in saying that we have allowed and we have been given the opportunity to explore from our home science specialization subjects of the different areas in the different fields, and students have expressed themselves in terms of their creative ideas and have set up their entrepreneurial ventures in the years that have gone by. And we are still hoping to develop a lot of entrepreneurs and make them as self-reliant and self-motivating. Our motto of the university, an empowered woman and an enlightened women, so we want to empower our students so that they are self-reliant and they are able to stand and promote themselves as entrepreneurs, start their business and become successful in life as one of the important areas in today's Atmanirbhar Bharat, which has been promoted by our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So we take this opportunity to welcome all of you for today's lecture on entrepreneurship, that is vision to reality. And now I would like our principal ma'am, Dr. Jagmeet Madan, to address our audience. Ma'am, over to you.
Okay, a very good afternoon to one and all. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, very good afternoon to everyone, and I'm extremely delighted to be a part of the second session of the Utkarsh series with a very, very relevant theme of vision to reality. And I'm also delighted today to share with you the good news that three of our students, Prashita Patil, Anushka Rane, and Concecia Rodrigues, were among the finalists for Tykathon 2021. And we just finished with the final rounds, and they were guided by the mentors, and they did exceedingly well. So congratulations to our star performers, and I think we give them a big round of applause. And if we can see them on the screen, that will be really nice. So Prashita, Anushka, Concecia, you should say hello to everybody here. We are extremely proud of your hard work. Vision to reality. I think it's such a relevant theme for the Utkarsh series because I remember in the last session, we basically were very generic and we understood what an entrepreneur should be as a person. And, there are no prerequisites, which define an entrepreneur. And there were eminent people who shared their life experiences as to how they became an entrepreneur and what kind of ventures they associated with. So today I'm extremely, humbled and privileged to share this space with two eminent speakers, Mr. Sachin Komboji and Ms. Jinisha Cheda. So welcome, Mr. Sachin. We are very, very happy and privileged that you accepted our invite and you're going to share your words of wisdom with our students. And thank you, Ms. Jinisha, for sparing your time and to be with us here. So I think what you are going to share with the students is something, which is going to be a real takeaway for them to, kind of imbibe. And let me tell you, as an institution, we are committed to the fact that we want to engage with each and every student of this institution, whether it is a first year student or a third year student or a master's student, because every student has a takeaway from these sessions. And I would say that the canvas starts from sensitization to, making up of the mind. And when they are at the master's level, they are actually ready to take off. And I'm also very privileged to take this opportunity to share and share this with not only with our eminent experts, with our students, that, we are launching a master's program in entrepreneurship management and business development from this coming academic year, that is 21-22. So where, the entire last semester is dedicated to, their business plan development and, the startup which they want to initiate. So, and this particular master's program is exclusively for students, the graduates of all specializations under Faculty of Home Science. I hope Mr. Sachin and Ms. Jinisha are aware that, in Faculty of Home Science, we have 5 major verticals of specializations. So you have foods and nutrition, you have human development, you have resource management, you have mass communication and extension, and you have textile and apparel designing. So each vertical offers a huge potential for students, to think of entrepreneurial ventures. And with the government of India wanting to promote entrepreneurship in youngsters, I think this particular program is really going to mold these students after graduation and, really plan their business idea. And the institution will also be supporting it through our EIP cell, that is the Entrepreneurship Incubation and Placement Cell, and which is now registered with the Government of India. So I think a big round of applause for our EIP cell, Unnati, and their entire team. They're doing a brilliant job. And this is our second session. I'm really looking forward to this session. So, and thank you once again to all our youngsters who are here. And thank you, our eminent experts. I look forward to your talk. Over to you, Anuradha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for those kind words and encouraging words. Now I will hand over the session to Dr. Bhamini Mehta and Ms. Parul Watts, the conveners for today's program. And they will be introducing our expert speakers and we will take the session forward. Dr. Bhamini and Ms. Parul.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.